D16Z6. Yeah, let me just move this cable. Yeah, there it is. D16Z6. Otherwise known as donor engine number 2. Alright. Got it all up on crates here. See what I'm working with. I'm on a hill. Driveway's a hill. I'm sure you've noticed that in other videos. I got transmission fluid and coolant currently draining. Up next I got oil coming out. Gonna hit up these get this wire harness off of here. I think I'm gonna pull the transmission before I pull the engine. It's because that's how I roll. I'm going to try and save the power steering. Going to try. I've heard there's been problems in the past. Basically, I'm just taking this engine, the harness, the ECU, obviously distributor, the injectors. I don't know if I'm going to keep those or what. Might use my other one, my other throttle body, or the other, yeah, intake manifold. Use this throttle body. Not entirely sure, but I will be sure. But yeah, it's going in that guy. So my plan is to take this engine into that garage, rebuild it, and while I'm doing that, take that engine, flick it. I don't know if I'm going to put it in this car or if I'm just going to put it in the back seat, because either way it's going to the junkyard. I might have to make a phone call, but yeah, there it is, D16Z6. Getting started, draining fluids. I'll let you know my next step in a bit. I've got out, took out the radiator, all the coolant hoses, distributor, took out the exhaust, the AC, which is hanging here. I don't want to release the Freon, so I'm just letting it, unless somebody I know wants it. But yeah, got power steering is off and pulled off to the side here. Started to pull this stuff. I don't think I'm going to bother using the lift because it's so, the driveway is so that I think I'm just going to, since I have to pull it all apart to rebuild it anyways, I might as well just take it piece by piece. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it that way. But yep, there's the update. While wire harness is out and off. Yep. Alright. Taking a smoke break here, I decided to do a quick little update. The EX engine is gone. It's all this D16Z6 back there. I guess maybe I could start in here. Got the Z6 block, intake, head, the EX SI transmission off 91, I believe, rebuilt, new synchros and everything. Still gotta switch out the flywheel on that. I'm gotta do the motor mount, switch that out. I got the head gasket, head bolts. Some other stuff came, time belt, water pump, etc., etc. But just got the D16Z6 out, sitting right there. Took that out piece by piece as well. There's the rest of it. Y7 transmission, axle, head, distributor, bullshit. Yep, that's how long my head gasket lasted. See, it totally fucked it up. But yeah, so I pulled that, left the AC compressor and power steering just kind of hanging out. There's the tarp covering the void. This is the harness off the DX, or the D16Z6 rather. Not sure what I'm going to do with this transmission. I want to try and sell it. Don't know if I can. But yeah, buddy. Y8 is out. or Y7 is out. If it's a Y8, I'd probably just rebuild that. But, boom, schlock block. It was a pain in the butt, as always, getting the fucking ball joint to separate. Oh no, I don't just bite the bolt and buy a tool, because I'm... No. This one came off super easy. But, yeah, I got that lined up. It's about where I'm at. Tonight I'm going to have to rebuild the head. Seat the valves. That's going to be a whole nother nightmare. But as for now, I got... both engines are out. Now I need to get that one rebuilt and put in. I'm not getting a head gasket till tomorrow, so that's going to give me time to bust through the head tonight. Try and work on the harness. I got some of it, I pulled it through, unthreaded it, figured out what I needed, rethreaded it. As you can see, it's a mess. Yeah, got some of it labeled, some of it staying, most of it's going because I still have the other harness right here ready to go in there. So that'll be that. Alright, till next time.